It is in my nature to be a friend of the friendless. Religion is a matter between the man and his maker. Manpower without unity is not a strength unless it is harmonized and united properly, then it becomes a spiritual power. Today we must remove distinctions of high and low, rich and poor, caste or creed. Every citizen of India must remember that he is an Indian and he has every right in this country but with certain duties. Faith is of no avail in absence of strength. Faith and strength, both are essential to accomplish any great work. Ours is a non-violent war, it is Dharma Yuddha. There is something unique in the soil, which despite many obstacles has always remained the abode of great souls. Tell Churchill to save England first before saving India. Caste, community will rapidly disappear. We have to speedily forget all these things. Such boundaries hamper our growth. Non-violence has to be observed in thought, word and deed. The measure of our non-violence will be the measure of our success. The main task before India today is to consolidate herself into a well-knit and united power. Even if we lose the wealth of thousands, and our life is sacrificed, we should keep smiling and be cheerful, keeping our faith in God and truth. My only desire is that India should be a good producer and no one should be hungry, shedding tears for food in the country. It is the prime responsibility of every citizen to feel that his country is free and to defend its freedom is his duty. It is only so long as a man can retain the child in him that life can be free from those dark shadows which leave inevitable furrows on a man 92's forehead. In a domestic government, unity and cooperation are essential requisites. Your goodness is impediment in your way, so let your eyes be red with anger, and try to fight the injustice with a firm hand. Satyagraha is not a creed for the weak or the cowardly. A war based on satyagraha is always of two kinds. One is the war we wage against injustice, and the other we fight our own weaknesses.